Pretty Little Liars, of course, you just came from an event celebrating the goodbye of the last season. Were you happy with how the show ended up?
I was. You know, with a show that has that many people just waiting for the ending, I was so nervous to see how people would react. And it was kind of a mixed review. Some people loved the ending, some people didn't like it at all. But I thought it was really clever. And I think that Troyan, who had the big storyline at the end, she nailed it. And any chance to give her leeway to do what she wants creatively, I thought was great. So I was happy with it. Yeah, I liked it.
Do you guys think you would do a reunion or?
Well, you know, they're doing a spinoff.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
So two of the girls are going to do the spinoff. You know,
so that is a reunion.
I'm open.
Right.
I don't know where Aria would fit in the show, but maybe so.
Well, you
never say never.
You got a new gig anyway.
Yeah, we'll see.
All right, so our crack team of producers have come up with this spare no expense stick with 2 heads on it.
I'm stealing this, by the way.
Oh, what? Yes, please do. Please do. Anyway, Hale or bail. It's a fun little way to ask you 3 party questions. They want you can answer 3 out of 3 if you want, but you can only bail on 1.
Okay.
So you got to go at least 2 out of 3.
Now I'm nervous. Okay.
Why would you be nervous
I don't know. I feel like you might
head
ask me something. No,
nah, it's
let's
not
see.
that bad.
Okay.
All right. Most embarrassing thing that ever happened to you on a date. You gonna answer or bail?
Oh, I'll do it. I'll hail it. Yeah, I'll hail it. I once had like a fake eyelash fall on my cheek and I didn't know. And it was the first time going on a date with someone.
That's not that bad.
Horrifying. Are you kidding? It was horrible. But this being said, I don't go out on dates. So I'm like afraid of dating, if that makes sense. They make me anxious. But that was my worst dating.
So
that's easy for me.
So you're a non-dater. What do you call it then?
What do I call what?
Well, you're a non-dater.
I'm
Is
just
that a
an
genre?
independent woman on her own.
You need no one.
No, man. At least for right now.
Okay. What is the this is gross.
Oh, no.
What is the longest period of time you've gone without bathing or showering?
Oh.
We even creeped out like the 2 guys in the audience.
I'll hail it. I actually don't like washing my hair. I think I've gone like a good week without washing my hair. Now I've bathed a couple of days. Everyone's just like blank staring at me. No, when I go home, my family's all in Tennessee. When I go home, there's really no point. I'm just with my family on my couch.
You're just hanging in the sweats.
Yeah.
Good to know.
Everyone's like, I have a different opinion of you now.
It kind of goes with the no dating scenario.
That might be why. That could be why. They're like, she's great, but she smells weird. I can bail on this one if I want.
No, you wouldn't want to, though. I mean, I wouldn't want to.
Okay.
Who's your celebrity crush?
Celebrity crush. I don't know how to pronounce his name.
Well, then let's
Timothy, he's in Call Me By Your Name, the boy, the young boy.
Oh, yeah, he's brilliant.
That jawline is just magical.
And
he's
such
adorable.
a brilliant
I'm probably
actor.
a little too old to have a crush on him, but he's very cute.
That's okay. It's legal because you don't date.
Yeah, I smell bad and I don't date, so.
Nicely done. So, guys, check out Lucy in Life Sentence. It's on Wednesdays at 9 p.m. on the CW.